efficiency is something that sells very badly to our main customers, right? Lawyers,
Okay.
they bill by the hour. So, I mean, efficiency is not their prime concern. Quality is, and, bringing down the non-billable hours, like the things they cannot charge for. Now, if you look at legal due diligence, there's just a lot of work that is necessary, but not that high valuable.
Mm-hmm.
For instance, organizing a data room, like saying which document is what and where, which expert in this particular field of law should look at this particular clause or this particular document.
Mm-hmm.
So that whole orchestration we take in. But that's, most companies try to bill for it, but they get a lot of pushback from their clients. So very often it's also non-billable time. Another thing which is very important to our users is turnaround times. How quickly can I show to my client that I've added value? It is very difficult to do that in a manual process.
But this is quite contradictory because you're saying, okay, usually the law firms will not want to decrease billable hours, but at the same time they want to be quick. So if they are too quick, instead of spending 6 hours, they do this in 2 hours, they bill less.
Yeah, but this is a problem that every legal tech has, right?
Mm.
It's not different for the big horizontal platforms or anything.
Mm-hmm.
The way we look at it is what you're after in a legal due diligence process is that it's high valuable for the client. That's number one. I mean, the client drives everything. They pay eventually the bill to the law firm, and sometimes even they pay the bill to us directly. But I mean, we take part of that value creation there for the client with our technology. So I think that's really important to get. So what do they want? And the reality is what they want to get this like insight as quick as possible. So that's where AI really comes in. Then what you want is an analysis that is deep enough. How currently LDD works is that typically it works with scopes. You say, I look only at 5 or 10 biggest customer contracts, and I'll have a look there whether I see something funky. With AI, you can say, I will look at all customer contracts. So you can do a much better analysis there. Will there be efficiency? Yes. I mean, we've had law firms that say we can spend 50% time less on the legal due diligence. But what they typically will argument towards their client, like, let's take this time to do more deep work for you, or spend more time on advice on how to mitigate risks that we found, or drafting, for instance, share purchase agreements and these type of things. So is it about efficiency? Partially, yes, but it's really about giving a better customer experience to the client so that they
Mm-hmm.
have a competitive offering compared to other law firms instead.